Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. You'll find me here today over on Glenart, which is just a lovely, quiet, small cul-de-sac. There's only 5 detached properties within this small close. Now, the property sits on a substantial plot. As you can see, you've got off-road parking for multiple cars. You've got this fabulous double garage. This one here on the right does give you access straight out through to the rear garden, and there is also plumbing in place for your utility appliances. Property does offer further development potential. As you can see, but you do have a fantastic garden alongside this lovely 4-bedroom detached property. So you've got your patio, which leads directly out of the second reception room, and there is also, just around the other side of the house, this lovely central lawn, along with the second lawn, which is an absolute sun trap. The greenhouse there in place as well, and obviously further access back to the front of the property. Now, the property is going to the market chain free, situated in the desirable Ellesmere Park, and a fabulous family home which offers this fabulous potential for further development for anyone who may consider needing a larger property. So just going to take you in through the kitchen door. So you've got your 2 reception rooms, fitted kitchen, guest WC and cloakroom, fabulous spacious lounge, along with the 4 bedrooms that all come complete with fitted closets. So we've just stood now at the main entrance, this lovely welcoming hallway. You've got your cloak cupboard, the guest WC just tucked away here, and then back into this fabulous spacious lounge. Lovely and bright. You've got a bay window just behind me, and your positioning on the cul-de-sac also, to look directly down the street with nothing looking back in on you, as well as the back. So now into the second reception room. As you can see, great potential here, whether to take this internal wall out, or equally the one dividing the dining space and fitted kitchen. Your patio doors straight out onto that lovely private garden, which also does actually benefit from the sun when you see it on brighter days. Fitted pantry just tucked away beneath the stairs, excellent additional storage. You further access back to the rear garden, which is where I came in from the outside space, and as you can see, this fitted kitchen, you've got integrated appliances, your under counter, fridge, freezer, Neff, oven, grill and hob here, integrated dishwasher, and as I mentioned, you do have plumbing in place in the garage. So as we head up to the first floor, I'll find the 4 bedrooms, lovely bright spacious landing once again into the family bathroom. Now, for accessibility, the bath has been taken out and put the corner shower in, and the boiler is in place here, which is around 4 years old. It's lovely and modern. And this here towards the rear of the property is the smallest of your 4 bedrooms. So a fantastic box room, double closet as I mentioned. This is the work from home space, or even a dressing area. And that privacy does continue up onto the first floor also. Now, your 2 main bedrooms, quite similar in size, however, the front bedroom is the biggest of the 2. Fabulous shape, fitted closet once again, and throughout the property you've got these lovely large windows letting in all of that natural light into what we would consider the master, positioned now to the front of the house overlooking a lovely quiet road. And then lastly, into the fourth and final bedroom, which again comes complete with that double closet. It's a fabulous family home, excellently located in regards to your amenities. We are just a short walk from Monton Village here, and really well served by your transport links, both